Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the UNTEI EC200 starter drone or beginner drone. This drone is a good drone to learn to fly on, learn the basics and functions of operating a drone. It's a good one to start out with. This is their 2-in-1 model. You can race it on land or fly it regularly like a drone. It runs kind of like a drift car across the ground, or you can fly it like a regular drone. This drone comes with 3 batteries, 2 chargers, 4 extra props, a little tool kit, and the controller. This controller runs on 3 AAA batteries to charge our batteries for the drone. So we'll get these batteries charged and we'll be right back. When the battery is fully charged, a red light will come on the USB plug. Alright, we're going to put a battery in this drone here. Just slide this thing backwards, lift it up. Alright, the battery just plugs in right there. Alright, when you get your battery plugged in, just press the cover back down on there. Snap it into place just like so. Alright, we're going to go ahead and turn the switch on the drone. Point it away from us. We're going to turn the switch on the remote. Now we're going to pair them by pushing this all the way forward. Beeped one time. Pull it all the way back. Beeped another time. Now the controller is paired with the drone. For calibration of the gyro, short press the gyroscope calibration button. The remote control will make a beep and the LED lights on the drone will flash quickly for 2 seconds. At this point, the drone is reset to factory settings and is ready to fly. This little drone here was very easy to operate, very easy to control. I would recommend it for a starter drone. It's a great drone to learn on. We were up and flying very quickly. I like the fact that it came with 3 batteries. The batteries charged very quickly. It's got these extra propeller blades that come with it, and the little tool that you can replace them with. That's a nice feature. The blades are well protected. I can't imagine you running into something breaking one, but if you do, you got some spare blades there. Instructions along with pictures made it very easy to understand what they're talking about. But had a lot of fun with it in the fly mode and also running across the ground almost like a remote controlled car. I'll have links down below this video where you can look at this drone if you're interested in getting one. They're very inexpensive. a great learning aid if you're wanting to get into drone flying. This would be something you could practice on. It's safe to fly this inside the house because you're not going to run into something and break something with these little protectors, blade protectors on it. But boys and girls that's wanting to get into drone flying, I think it would be a great beginner drone for that. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Stay tuned for more videos.